Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how you can start your live class, virtual class on My Class Campus Pocket Study. So basically if you're running a school, you will create your account from here and you will get it approved from the company. Now as I already have my account, I'll log into that. Once I'm inside my account, this is my dashboard, my virtual school. So first I'll have to do some basic setup of classrooms and subjects and all that. I'll show you how to do that. So basically we will create standards. I have already created few, but let me create a fresh one so that you can get complete idea how to do it. I'm keeping 8 only. Student capacity I'm keeping 50. And I'm setting one subject, science. Okay, compulsory. So one moment. Class subject teachers, class teacher I have to set. This class is created. Now I'll do subject setup. So basically I will assign a subject teacher for this subject. Here I haven't added any other teachers, so I'm putting myself as a subject teacher. This is done. So basically class, standard class and subject setup is done. Now if you are very first time doing it, you'll have to add your students as well. So I'm showing you how to add a student. You can add single as well as bulk. Here I am doing single entry, but you can download the Excel file and do it in bulk. I'm adding in 8th standard for subject science. Okay. Now I'm putting my basic one of the students basic detail. Now I will save it. So this student is added. Now I'll go to home and I'll have to create lesson plan. So basically if you have a structured subject, chapter and topic level lesson planning, you can create that. And if you don't want to create that and just create a by default, then you just create one lesson only, like 8th science lesson number 1. I'm just giving it title lesson name science, and even topic name also I'm keeping as science if I don't want to create complete lesson structure. This is once only I've created it. Now I will go to pocket study here. All other modules are like additional functionalities of our school management. If you don't want to use it, it will be removed. So you go to live classes, then upload new. So I'm creating one live class in 8th for subject science. Here because I don't have any specific lesson and topic, I'm just selecting a science title. Today's let's suppose I'm putting something like oxygen, and I'm creating live stream. I can create shareable link as well, but let's suppose I don't want to do that, and I'm creating it for just now, so 1 o'clock 13:45. So let's suppose I'm creating it 46. Okay, 47 maybe, no problem. Publish. So as I publish, this will be live class on oxygen. As I publish, it will be this will be going to all the students in their mobile app as a push notification. So beauty here is you need not to share the link or meeting ID or something like that. all the relevant students will be able to get it in their phone. So I have created this live class. See, it is visible here. Today, scheduled for 1 o'clock 47 minutes. So this is scheduled. As the time will become 1 o'clock 47 minutes, now it will come to live. So here, see, I'm starting the live class. That's it. I'm allowing my video camera and all that. So here, because of voice problem, I just stopped my fan as well, so a little hot here. But yeah, this is currently this live class is going on. See, so student will be able to join it from their phone. So it is this simple. Within 5 minutes any school can start their live classes.